Hi, this is Neha Raj, your book marketing girl, and today here at Book Nerds Author Agency podcast, where we invite industry professionals to know the world of book closely. So today, the guest we have is an avid reader, passionate blogger, and more importantly, she is from the background of editorial work. So let's welcome Soumya Chaudhary.
Thank you so much for inviting me and for the lovely introduction.
Great. Soumya, please tell our audience about you a little bit. I mean, what is your work background?
Mhm. My name is Soumya. I'm 24 years old and I work with a publishing company called Vitasta Publishing. I started working there last year only, so I don't have a lot of experience, but I'm a very passionate reader. And जब कोई बचपन से ही रीडिंग करता हुआ आता है, तो उसका सबसे fascinating job होती है कि I want to work in a publishing house. So I think that is like a dream come true for me. So I started working as an editorial assistant there. And now I am still looking over the editorial part, but I am now contributing towards marketing also. Because I think both of them are sort of interconnected in a way. And that is why I personally decided to take this role as well.
Great, great. It's actually very important. Yes, the way you said कि बचपन से आपने books पढ़ना शुरू किया. But now, do you think there are so many is kind of jobs and roles in our industry beyond publishing, like bookstagramming and
Mhm.
editing? So let's start with editing. So how important the role of editing in a manuscript?
It's everything. I mean, nobody wants to read a book full of errors. It's literally like you read one page or itne errors dikhenge, you will automatically shut it down. So editing is the central part. It's the heart of everything. So when we get a manuscript, mostly what we do is we evaluate it. कि whether it's good, it's worth publishing, हमारे जो latest trends हैं उसके साथ में is it going well. Then the process of editing starts. So, like we have in house editors, we sometimes take help from freelance editors also. Freelance editing is also a very popular job nowadays. So, you take help of freelance editors, you edit the manuscript. And editing is not only just कि आप grammar check कर रहे हो, punctuation check कर रहे हो, it's the overall flow of the book. कि is the story making sense? Is it cohesive? Is it following a pattern or not? Is it readable? Because you not only edit from the point of view of an editor, but you edit from the point of view of a reader also. Would you like to read that book? So I think editing is the first and the core aspect from which the whole process of printing and getting a book starts.
Okay, so for example, आपको कोई manuscript आता है. So what is the sequence you follow? There must be some sequence of the editing process and then taking to the proofreading and then, publishing, printing, marketing. So what is the sequence for that?
So once we get the manuscript and हम लोगों ने decide करा that we are going ahead with it to contract signing. Apart from that, you start the first round of editing. So उसके अंदर you edit the manuscript, you make certain changes in track changes mode. So track changes is a function in Word document where the person who is editing can track their own changes. कि आपने क्या edit करा है, if you have like आपने कुछ काटा है, कुछ add करा है, so it gets highlighted. Then you send the edit to the author because you have to get their approval also. And sometimes mostly authors are okay with the edits, but sometimes they are not. कि they get a little bit, they feel कि आपने हमारा काम कैसे वो कर दिया. How dare you challenge our writing? How dare you tweak it a little bit? तो ये भी problem होती है. But nowadays authors are very cooperative, especially young authors are very cooperative. So you edit the manuscript, you send it back to the author, and once you get the approval, you get a clean copy for typesetting. So that's the step two. So once the book gets paginated, it's layouted by a cover design by a designer, and then you get the PDF format. So I think this is the standard format that we follow and a lot of publishers also follow. Ki once you get the copy edited, typeset, then you proofread it once. कि सब कुछ ठीक है उसके अंदर and then you send it off for printing.
All right.
And प्रिंटिंग पे ही खत्म नहीं होता बस प्रिंटिंग तो आई थिंक स्टार्ट होता है सब कुछ बिकॉज देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कवर डिजाइनिंग
Right.
बहुत एक्सपेक्ट होता है देन उससे बड़ा होता है हाउ टू मार्केट द बुक which I think you guys are there to help everyone and the authors.
True, true. We are definitely there for all the authors out there. So you have mentioned regarding the book cover of the book. So how important actually the book cover for the marketing aspect, if you see. So how important is the book cover? If it actually play an important role or no कि चलो ऐसी टाइम पास से लोग आज कर देते हैं कि चलो जल्दी जल्दी कर लो. So how what is the role of a book cover if you see?
No, book covers are very important. I mean, there's a line, don't judge a book by its cover, but I think it's false because everyone judges a book by its cover. Obviously, I mean, if I step into a bookshop, अब मुझे सामने कोई cover दिखेगा, I will automatically go towards it. I'll see the cover, it's very pretty, then I'll read the blurb. And sometimes up to because of this Bookstagram and TikTok and everything, people are buying books just for the cover only. कि कवर बहुत अच्छा है, हमारे बुक शेल्फ पे अच्छी लगेगी तो हम खरीद लेते हैं।
I agree.
ट्रेंड शिफ्ट हो गया या अब वो ट्रेंड शिफ्ट हो गया है कि आप सिर्फ ब्लर्ब देख के नहीं बात कर रहे हो कवर इज इक्वली और आई वुड से मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन द ब्लर्ब एंड द कंटेंट ऑफ द बुक इट शुड स्पीक फॉर इटसेल्फ
Right. So you mentioned the blurb as of now. So who choose or who select the blurb which comes at the back of the book? So who chooses that? Is it the author's choice or do you suggest all the authors that go for a blurb or sometimes there are, book reviews at the back, just one or two liner. So how do you choose ki what should be come at book cover, back book cover? Back title is
blurb author provides and because वो अपनी तरफ से they provide a raw blurb कि this should come as part as on the back cover then as editors we tweak it अब if I have read that book तो I will also make a suggestion that comes automatically कि मैंने ये book पढ़ी है I know the subject so I think from the marketing point of view blurb is very important so it should be something which is straight to the point and very high इंग्लिश में नहीं ऐसा होना चाहिए दैट यू आर यूजिंग हाई फाई वर्ड्स जो एक नॉर्मल रीडर को समझ ही ना आए इट शुड बी स्ट्रेट क्रिस्प टू द पॉइंट and mostly it comes from the author sometimes editors also write and obviously we tweak it around because we are the ones who have to sell the book तो एंड से तो आई थिंक पब्लिशर्स का ही होना चाहिए बट ग्राउंड रियलिटी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंट होती हैं बट मोस्टली इट्स द एडिटर्स चॉइस कि ब्लॉग में क्या जाना चाहिए या
okay. All right. So, how important is like concept development while writing a manuscript? Do you think author should work on a concept development first, or how does that work? The concept of the book.
I think concept though obviously the concept development is the core of writing. I am not a writer as per se, but if you don't have a concept, then how will you build a manuscript around it? Whether it's fiction, non-fiction. Non-fiction के लिए concept is maybe easy, बट कि आपने कोई एक टॉपिक आपको एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज है आपका क्योंकि प्रोफेसर्स दे राइट अ लॉट सो उसके अराउंड दे बिल्ड अ कॉन्सेप्ट एंड देन दे डू रिसर्च दे रीड बुक्स एंड देन दे कंपाइल समथिंग फिक्शन के अंदर इट माइट बिकम अ बिट डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज देन यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ होल इमेजिनरी वर्ल्ड characters, setting, place, the pacing. And I mean, it's fun also because I read fiction a lot more than non-fiction. So obviously, it's like different reality only. So concept building is obviously very important.
All right. So, what is the difference between line editing and copy editing? Because I mean, if you are not an editor, yes, so it is just editing what everybody understand, right? But there's so many like lines between them. So, what are those
Mhm.
flaws? technical terms we can say, and what are the difference between them?
Okay, so first of all, there is developmental editing also. So that is like the first raw editing that we can say, ki where you are developing the story with the author. Ki sometimes the author sends you his or her manuscript, and then you give suggestions ki you should tweak it here and how you should develop your story further. You can give
Mhm.
suggestions. You can add a plot twist here. You can write this scene or that scene so that that story flows. It's readable. Line editing is basically where you check each and everything in a line. Copy editing would just be कि ठीक है आप वैसे it's not much of a difference. If you're an editor, then obviously आपको हर चीज का ही ध्यान रखना है. That's the
Right.
basic like आप कैसे पता कर सकते हो if that person is a good editor क्योंकि that person takes care of everything. Just not only just line editing, copy editing, but the whole overall story. But I think line editing और copy editing में यही difference होता है. Line editing is very precise, and copy editing में you focus more on grammar and the
Okay.
language. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so in the beginning, you said that you were a reader and you wanted to come into this industry, right? So, how if somebody actually wants to be in the industry and be an editor? So, is there any course or any studies for that? Any diplomas or any classes? Any nothing?
No,
Nothing.
unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. Because even I mean there are courses. आप
Okay.
online courses कर सकते हैं. But until unless you don't have a good grasp over language or you are not an avid reader, तो आपका वो connect ही नहीं आएगा. Because when you read, then only you can understand the intricacies, the nuances of writing. And from there only you can start editing. So I think a good grasp over language is very, very important. And second, you should be passionate about editing. And obviously, you can learn how to edit through online courses. There are copy editing courses. You can learn grammar. बहुत सारे लोग they think that हमने स्कूल में ग्रामर पढ़ ली तो बस हो गया. You should learn grammar every matlab I would not say every day, but there are videos available on YouTube जिसके through you can actually relearn
Right.
grammar topics, which is very very important because if you're out of practice, then obviously you need to relearn something. Reading newspapers, because when I joined with Asta, first thing my MD Renu called Verma, she asked me, "Do you read newspaper?" And I said, "No." She said, "You must, because newspaper not only ठीक है, you are getting general knowledge, आपको एक awareness मिलती है, but also आपकी editing, आपकी language, आपकी vocabulary, आपकी
Mhm.
grammar, सब छोटे-छोटे aspects में reading basically enhances everything. So I
Mhm.
think first step would be start reading.
Yeah.
Brush up your grammar. थोड़ा language के ऊपर you should get a good command, and then obviously you learn along your job. I also started as a beginner. I learned my way through and I'm still learning.
Right, right. So regarding the manuscript while you are editing, and sometimes authors become rigid. Sometimes maybe due to some personal connection to the blurb or excerpt they have written, and if you ask them, ki this is not good for marketing and it should not be there, or maybe it is coming to any gray area. So how do you deal with that if they are not ready to get it edited by you?
Mhm. Basically, see, the point is कि we try our best to convince them. And luckily, like young authors, they know कि marketing is very, very important. And
Mm-hmm.
they also know कि if the blurb is not catchy, if the cover is not catchy, then उनकी book को कोई उठाएगा नहीं, because the competition is there. Every day, so many books get published. So if you want to stand out, then you have to do something different. So they understand the concept ki yes, it is very important to work on the blurb, it is very important to work on the cover, and we insist again and again that please हमारी सुन लो. Literally ऐसा भी होता है कि some authors are very rigid. They don't listen. They are like कि we wrote it with that intention and you are now changing it. Yeah, this is not what we had envisioned. बट ऑब्वियसली कहीं न कहीं पे तो क्लैश आता ही है। यू हैव टू समटाइम्स डिसएग्री, एग्री टू डिसएग्री। समटाइम्स यू हैव टू लेट द ऑथर्स बी लाइक ओके, हम आपकी बात मान लेते हैं, बट लेट्स जस्ट टेक अ मिडल ग्राउंड कि आप ऐसा कवर चाहते हैं, हम ऐसा चाहते हैं। लेट्स जस्ट कम अप विद समथिंग व्हिच इज़ एक्सेप्टेबल टू बोथ ऑफ अस। सो डिज़ाइनर्स, कवर डिज़ाइनर्स, आई फील लाइक हमसे ज़्यादा तो जो लोग टाइप सेट करते हैं बुक और जो कवर डिज़ाइनर्स होते हैं, उन पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है। They have to prepare a very good cover.
Right, right. True that. So, is there any story of yours, for example, you have, edited any manuscript and it has actually become a very popular bestseller and something like that? Any of your story you want to share?
So I work a lot with fiction and kids book. So I worked with Rachna Chhabria. She's a very popular kids author, and I worked with I wrote. I didn't edit it, but मैंने उसका typeset और layouting के अंदर I helped. So that was Vocabulary Villa. That was like my first book that I did with Vitasta. Then recently I did Money Villa also. So that is also a kid's book. I did JL the Superhero Vegetables. That is again a kid's book. So I feel like मैं बच्चों के साथ ज़्यादा books करती हूँ.
You are more influential.
हाँ, I think because I don't know. It just happened that I started doing one and then I did more. I do fiction also. The Last Witness by G.V. Subbarao. That's a
Mhm.
fiction that I worked on. And I Want a Boy by Dr. Aruna Kalra. So that is her story. And it's on female feticide. So I worked on that book also. So it's like I'm open to learning. So I don't pick and choose कि मैं यही करूँगी. I'm open to learning everything.
Great, great. So, if somebody wants to, if our audience is listening to us and if somebody wants to apply in the publishing houses, so for example, if you're there with your resume or maybe you have applied online, the applications are out there. So, what is the process on which basis or how many rounds are there or what is the process they hire you?
So firstly, like you can apply through LinkedIn. LinkedIn
Mhm.
is a very popular platform. If someone wants to apply, they should follow the publishing houses because they post on. I applied through Vidasta's page only. They had posted the job vacancy, so you should know कि कहाँ पे कौन सी job vacancy open है. Then I think the first round is basically they take a test, basic editing test, जहाँ पे they check your grammar and your writing skills. So that is the first test, and then you go for just a face-to-face interview, and then internship. Basically, अभी starting में तो nobody will give you a job, तो internship से ही everyone starts. So that is how you can go, or you can go for freelance editing also. I feel like
Okay.
a lot of people are going into that field. They want to do freelance work. So freelance editing के लिए भी publishers are very much open. As I mean, I feel like they are very much open to that.
Great, great. So recently you have started, being into the PR and marketing of the books and authors. So how did you start that? I mean, what was the interest? Because generally, if we see, authors are always kind of stay in background, and they love to
Mm.
be in the background. But it's a different, transition if you are being an editor and marketer at the same time. So,
Mhm.
what was that transition and how it is going?
So I have my own Instagram account. I think I started my own Bookstagram account when I was in 12th standard. So I know the importance of influencer marketing. I know because I get my recommendations through, I'm sorry for saying this, but Instagram. बहुत सारी recommendation मुझे books की Instagram के through ही मिली है. And which is not a bad thing. I mean, like you follow a lot of people and you see a good cover and then you're like, okay, this is interesting. The title is interesting, and then you check it out and then you read it. I think हम लोग सबने ही वहीं से ही start करा है. कहीं ना कहीं word of mouth plays a very big role.
Right.
So मेरा इंटरेस्ट तो था ही इस इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग वर्ल्ड में बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो वन सो आई हैव अ गुड कनेक्शन विद ब्लॉगर्स ऑल्सो So from there, I decided ki if I am the one who has read this book and I want to help the author promote it, because when you put an effort into something, you want to see it grow. You want to see ki more people read it. You get that satisfaction. So I think from that uh, interest only my transition happened.
Great, great. Okay. So let's make it little fun here, and I'll have 10 questions, kind of a rapid fire round questions.
Oh my.
I definitely going to read it out. So I just want take one word or two word, and if you think one sentence is needed, go for it. Okay, I'll just start it. I mean, if coffee is Karan. Coffee with Karan is looking at the placard.
Yeah, definitely. What's my gift then? Where's the hamper?
You will get a book hamper from us for sure. Okay, so should I start?
Yeah, start.
Okay, I'll be reading the question from my placard. Okay. So,
Yeah.
Soumya, please tell us what is your favorite blogging platform? You have been a blogger.
Instagram.
One tip for someone who is starting a blog today.
Don't think about it. Just post. True.
What is the last book you have read?
Green Dot by Madeline Gray.
Nice. Do you finish every book you start?
No. IDNF. ID.
Okay. Do you prefer working on fiction or non-fiction book for editing?
Fiction. Fiction only.
What's the most challenging part of editing?
Oh, I think the most challenging part would be you get so much involved into the story that you forget that you're editing. That's the most challenging part. Ki you have to take a step back. So that can become challenging sometimes.
Great. So, how do you decide if a piece is ready for publication?
If I am happy with it, if I, from the editor's point of view and from the reader's point of view, I'm okay, then it is ready. If kuch bhi error hai, then I'm not ready then.
Oh. Okay. Is there a book or manuscript which you wish you had edited?
Oh, so is it like Abhi wali book or a book that I have read, I wish
L-
I would have
Book.
edited?
Any book you wish that I have edited it?
Oh, I have one here. Nair of Rest and Relaxation. So I wish I could have edited this book. Not that it's badly written or anything, but I feel like I really want to know the author's thoughts.
Oh,
So
wow.
I wish I could have edited this book.
Great, great. Okay. Do book covers play a big role in marketing success?
Yes, they definitely play a big role. I chose this book because of the cover only.
True that all of Instagrammers, the way they are showing the book, yes, people are getting the recommendations from them and people are choosing from them. That's really true,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah,
But
it is.
do book trailers really work? Do you think it really work? Book trailers.
I don't think so that much, Abhi, because like book trailers are still in the process of getting that much attention. I feel like with Instagram, TikTok जैसे बाहर होता है, इंडिया में तो there is no TikTok, but cover and the title, book trailer से ज़्यादा cover and the title, they matter a lot.
Great. Your rapid fire round is end here. And all answers were truly correct, actually, very prominent and very relevant. So, coming back to the book trailers, do you really think book trailers? Because, I also talk to many authors when there is any marketing plan I'm making, and they don't know the term book trailer. So, is it a Western thing we are adapting, or it is very new to the world? What is that book trailer? If we can elaborate it.
It is obviously a Western thing that we're adapting. I feel like, I mean, if we think about it, हम लोग अपनी reading choice भी, we still have that colonial hangover somewhere because we don't read too much Indian authors. We prefer reading international authors. And कहीं ना कहीं platform पे, whether you go for events, whether you step into a bookstore or higher events जो होते हैं literary events, their international authors are preferred more. सो आई थिंक ये कॉलोनियल हैंगओवर तो हमारा है ही है अभी भी। एंड ऑब्वियसली बुक ट्रेलर का कॉन्सेप्ट आई डोंट नो, आई मीन मैंने तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिसेंटली ही देखना शुरू करा है दैट ओके देयर आर बुक ट्रेलर्स ऑल्सो। आजकल रील्स के फॉर्म में पीपल आर पुटिंग बुक ट्रेलर्स through AI. So that is a new thing. It is interesting, but I feel like it's a long way to go. Book trailers are a long way to go, and people don't have that much patience now कि वो बैठ के 5 मिनट का 2-3 मिनट का ट्रेलर देखे। एवरीबडी इंस्टा पे ऐसे स्क्रॉल करते हुए जो दिख जाए बस।
Very true. But yes, it is very heartbreaking to know that people are still, so much into international authors, not much into Indian authors. Because I'm working, although with both of them, Indian and international too. But yes, international authors craze. I mean, it's a lot here. It's a lot. People don't want to read Indian books, Indian authors' books. So it's maybe the trend will change soon.
ये ये ट्रेंड
So, any book recommendation would you like to give to our community of book nuts?
अब नाउ वी स्पोक कि इंटरनेशनल ऑथर्स एंड आई आल्सो हैव इंटरनेशनल सॉरी I don't know. Maybe we have to give more focus to Indian authors definitely. And even if you step into a bookstore, सबसे पहले we see international authors only, which is actually very bad. But ठीक है, I think धीरे धीरे times will change.
Right. Right.
Uh, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 books. So the
Okay.
first book is Twilight. Please don't judge me, don't hate on me. This book got me into reading. Like for some people, Colleen Hoover did. For some people, Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat also, like him.
Then they turned so many readers.
Yes, definitely. Indian, I think Indian writing may we have to give credit to Chetan Bhagat. Watch to Stay Up, Revolution 2020, One Night at a Call Center. I mean, remember reading them and liking them a lot. Then,
And they are I said, then comes the
I mean, I तो started reading with Goosebumps by, is it by R.L. Stein or मतलब मैं जब छोटी थी I used to
उसी सीरीज ना Goosebumps हॉरर लैंड वाला सीरीज जो है.
yes, Goosebumps, Alice in Wonderland, then Famous Five वाला series जो था पूरा. So I started with that. Yeah. And then I moved to Chetan Bhagat. And then this is like my first thick book that I read, Twilight. So it's like I always tell people I have a very soft spot for this book in my heart. Yeah.
I have a special edition of these books. I have a
You have book edition.
oh yes, it's a very special edition book box. It has 4 books and very unique books they have. There were I mean I don't know which anniversary or something was there. So special covers was out. Then we bought it. It's so special and unique for me. I just kept it like on the top shelf so that my kids will also not touch it.
Wow, that is so sweet. I mean, I've watched the movie like 9 times. मतलब कुछ है नहीं मूवी में. It's just one vampire, one girl, and they fall in love. But I don't know. There's just something about this movie. It's just very, very special. Then it's My Dark Vanessa. So this is a very dark book with a lot of trigger warnings, but I think this is a book that everyone should read in their life. It's a very, very good, very beautifully written book, and
Great.
a very hard hitting subject also.
Okay.
Then I have Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. So I have a trend of reading little like depressing and sad books.
Oh, what kind of trend is that? If may I know?
It's actually a new trend going on Instagram. It's called reading depressing books. So people are reading depressing books now. Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. And then the final one would be My Year of Rest and Relaxation. So these are
Great.
the 4 books I would recommend.
Great recommendation. So I also have couple of books here, but yes, I'll go with the Indian ones first. I also have international, but I'll go with first. This is Ryan Fernando. He has so my books will be all related to the health, fitness, that sort of recommendation I have because although I have 2 kids, I keep reading either the children books or if I get time for myself, like pleasure reading, then it would be books. Is and the another one is this. It's called Superfood. Super Life. Yeah. So I follow these authors. I don't know them, but I love their books. Yes, I last one I have is
Thank
one
you.
I received it. I think this is the new one. We have just received. I am half read it, not full, but I loved it. So say thank you for everything. So this is really good by Jim Edwards. So I think people can go start with that because it is pretty sleek also. Not much
Yeah.
250 pages. So anybody can read it. So these are my recommendations. So thank you, Soumya, for being on our podcast and sharing your knowledge with us, the audience were listening. And any last message for the book nerds?
For the book nerds in general, I would just say continue reading and continue posting about books.
Great, great. So we are ending our session. Thank you, Soumya. We'll see you everyone in the next podcast with another guest. And please, Soumya, if you can tell your Instagram handle for everyone to follow you.
It's at the rate BooksLoveXO. That's my Instagram handle. Nice. Very 12th standard.
No, no, it's really good. So you can also follow Bookner's author agency page, and the handle is by the same name. Please go to our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and keep reading. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.